Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming Git is installed and locating its Git Bash executable. This matters because Windows Terminal needs that exact path. Once done, open Windows Terminal settings with Control plus comma and choose to add a new profile. Make sure to pick a clear name like Git Bash so you recognize it in the drop-down. You are not finished yet. Next, you will create the profile JSON or use the settings UI to point to that bash. exe path. You now create the profile that launches Git Bash. If you use the UI, duplicate an existing profile, then change the command line to the bash. exe full path if editing settings. JSON, add a new profile object with command line. C // program files // git // bin // bash. exe. Once set, change starting directory, set an icon for recognition, and assign a color scheme that matches your workflow. Make sure to save or hit save, then test by opening the new Git Bash tab to verify it starts correctly. You finish by testing the tab. Open Git Bash from the terminal dropdown and run Git version to confirm. If it fails, check the path string for correct escaping of backslashes or typos, and try launching the same bash. exe directly from Explorer to isolate Windows Terminal issues. Once corrected, restart Windows Terminal to ensure settings reload. If problems persist, verify file permissions and that antivirus is not blocking Bash. These steps resolve most remaining setup errors and get you working quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.